We're sixth graders and members of your Student Lighthouse leadership team. Remember those fun assemblies last year? We loved those and were bummed when we found out we couldn't all be in the gym together this year.
But just because we can't all be together right now, it doesn't mean we can't find ways to celebrate all the great things happening at Lincoln. So those assemblies are still going to happen, but they're just going to look a little different.
Once a month, we're going to put together a ritual assembly for you, where we'll feature class projects, teach about the 7 habits, and celebrate all the great things happening in our building.
Last year, we began each of our assemblies by reciting the Pledge of Allegiance and the Lincoln Belief Statement. We'd like to do the same this year. Would you please stand in your classroom and follow along as the fourth graders lead us through each?
Now some fourth graders will teach us about sensorceptors, something they've been learning about in class.
What are sensorceptors?
I have no idea, so I'm going to pay extra close attention, and after they teach us about them, the fourth graders will also teach us about habit 1, being proactive.
Reporting from you live at Lincoln Elementary. I'm a 4th grade student and I got some other 4th grade students to teach you how you should be proactive. Emma, how are you proactive?
I'm proactive because at the track, at recess when I'm running, sometimes people bump into me or brush me with their arms. But instead of getting mad at them when they apologize, I just say, it's okay, and keep running.
Great job, that's a really good way to say proactive. Up next is Ella. Ella, how are you proactive?
I'm proactive because when we lose our soccer game, I don't get mad at my teammates and I just say we did our best and move on.
Great job, that's a really good way to say proactive, and your teammates really must respect that. I got Dominic with me. Dominic, how are you proactive?
By being a leader at the carpet. For example, when others are distracting me, I will focus on the board instead of getting distracted.
Great job, your teacher must really like that. And last from Mrs. Ireland's class, I got Kai. Kai, how are you proactive?
I'm proactive by when I am losing in my football game,
in halftime, I don't get mad at my teammates. I just keep trying.
Great job. I think your teammates would really respect that. And I'm back reporting with Miss Schrock's 4th graders. I have Paige with me right now. Paige, how are you proactive?
Well, at school you try to be proactive by getting supplies out without being told, and you know what to do before the teacher's instructions.
Great job. I think your teachers would really like that. And for our last person, I have JJ with me. JJ, how are you proactive?
At home, I am proactive because I get my reading done and all my homework done before I play video games or anything else like that.
Thank you, JJ. I bet your teachers would really like that when you get all your homework done on time. I'm here with Gia as well. Gia, how are you proactive?
I'm proactive at recess because when I play soccer, I know that I'm only in control of me, and if I want my teammate to do something, I can politely ask them, and if they don't want to do it, then they don't have to. Also, no matter if you win or lose, make sure to say good game.
Great job. Thank you, Gia. We sure learned a lot about being proactive. I want to see other people be reported how you are proactive. Thank you. Bye.
Team Lincoln, how can you be proactive today?
Thanks, 4th graders, for dropping all that knowledge on us. I feel smarter already.
Now to begin our awards portion of the assembly. First, we'd like to recognize all the classes that have already earned their leadership letters. Way to go, Tigers!
And here are the winners of the Golden Dustpan. Thanks for keeping your rooms extra clean.
Class is the winner of the K2 Specialist Award for this month. Nice job!
The following students all did a great job in Mileage Club. Good work, Tigers.
Here are this month's Safety Patrollers of the Month winners. Thanks for keeping Lincoln safe.
it's time for Cartpool Karaoke. And my guest is Carlos. All right, Carlos, let's get this cart moving. You hang on. So Carlos, I got a few questions for you so the kids at Lincoln can get to know you better. What is your favorite kind of cheese?
American cheese.
American cheese.
Melts good.
Yes, it does. And I know you're way into the... You're pretty good at that, aren't you? Let's see you rock out. Go! Hello, Mr. Bryant. This is the first edition of Cartpool Karaoke. Do you have a favorite song or favorite music band or anything? The Beatles. Beatles. They've inspired so many great musicians. Cool answer. All right. Now, we're actually going to go up to class. And you know how I get them?
Elevator.
How is the experience with Cartpool Karaoke? Is it a little scary?
A little bit.
All right, here we are in the elevator room.
Hello, Lincoln Tigers. This is Mr. Bryant, and I want to thank you for joining us with our assembly via video. In the past, we've been able to have those together in the gym, and we hope to be able to do that again soon. Thank you to all the staff who made this video possible. What I'm here today to talk about is our red ticket winners. We know that kids that make great choices at school can be awarded a red ticket, and I'm going to pull one ticket from each grade level in a minute. And you see in my hand, I'm holding this unique dice, and I will come to your classroom on Monday, and I'll pull, like I said, I'm going to pull one student from each grade level. I will come to your classroom and let that student roll this dice, and there are several choices on here for what you may win. So let me read those for you. If you roll lunch in the classroom with Mr. Bryant, I will have lunch with your entire class in your classroom. You might have to roll again. You might roll 2 extra leadership letters for your class. You might roll, I get a small class treat for everyone in my class. And I think those, oh, the last one I forgot is 15 minutes of recess with me. So I thought it would be fun if you got to take your whole class with you if you were selected. And now I'm going to draw one ticket for each grade level. And I will come see these kids on Monday to pick their prize. Okay, so the ticket I am drawing from kindergarten is Eliana Merrick. Congratulations to Eliana. From first grade, I am drawing Nora, and I'll have to clarify if that is Nora Nepper or Nora Kowalski. From second grade's bucket, I have drawn Emma, and I believe that's Emma Wolf from Mrs. Lindgren's class. From the third grade bucket, I have drawn Christian from Miss Sullivan's class. From the fourth grade bucket, I am drawing Charlie Horan from Mrs. Ireland's class. From fifth grade, I am am drawing Samir from Mrs. Heron's class. And last but not least, our 6th grade winner is Isabella from, I believe, from Mrs. Dice's class. Thank you, Lincoln Tigers. I will look forward to coming out and visiting your classes on Monday to roll the dice for your prize.
Congratulations to all the winning classes and students. We hope you enjoyed our first virtual assembly of the year.
Our next assembly will be ready for you by Tuesday, November 24th.
Thanks for
watching.
Lincoln kids were hard to beat. We are 100 perfect to feet. Got that smile, that style, that winning way. When you looked at us, you'll recognize us and there's some kids we'd like to know. We got that good old Lincoln acting book. So take a look at us. Quite a treat, we're hard to beat. Lincoln kids, yeah!